knock the taste out of your mouth.
Whoa.
I'm gonna axe your head off.
Listen.
Good luck tasting without a head, and I'm the dumb one.
Listen, I'm not really a big fan of this guy, but keep it fair. Keep it
You
fair.
don't have a head. What are you
Stay
gonna
on
do?
your side, Joe.
What are you? Huh?
It's more valuable of a tag
Huh?
partner than yours.
Huh? 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 Yeah, that's what I thought. Tell the flamingo. He'll tell it to me.
Talking, Joey.
Yeah. Who took whose belt? Wait, where is it? I just saw it sitting down somewhere. Oh, here it is. Wait, does it got your name on it anymore? Oh no, it ain't got nobody's name. It's almost like our owner's cheap.
Talking, Joey.
I've been talking the entire time. You keep telling me to talk, so I talk, and I talk, and I talk, and you walk, and walk, and walk. 6 months. I've been talking, and you've been walking. Try here, baby. Come get it.
Something cool?
September 29th, I'm taking it off.
And then, you're right, because I gotta set it down to beat your ass. And then September 29th, September 30th, October 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 5th, 6th, 7th, I'm still gonna have it. January, February, March. What comes after March? April, May.
Feel good about that? Feel really good about that.
I mean, I got like 10 out of 12 months. I feel pretty good about that.
I'm done with Hey. Come on. Hey, come on. Come on. Hey, hey. Hey, come on. Come on. Oh, Joey, I'm hey, hey.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, I'm done with you. Okay.
Get his ass out of here.
That escalated quickly.
I'm sorry, everybody. I'm sorry. See ya.